Alright, so this is our next tutorial on working with your video editing in BH1, and this one we're going to talk about how to create B-roll and how to create voiceovers out of the video clips that you already have. So I've already got a sequence here laid out with video clips in it. All these video clips have audio to them. We can hit play and hear that. Okay, there you go. So if I'm going to create B-roll, B-roll is basically video clips with no audio associated with them. These are going to be clips that we'll use for supplemental reasons. Maybe we just want to have something in the background that's showing while we're having an interview with somebody, or we're giving an explanation as to what's being shown on screen. So in order to do that, we need to get rid of the audio that's associated with this video. So with the video in the sequence, we right click on the video, select unlink, and now that enables us to use our audio and video separately. Okay, let me Control Z and show you what it was like before. Before, this is what happens. If I try to move the video, the audio automatically goes with it. If I try to move the audio, the video goes with it. But when I right click and unlink, I now can move them separately. So in doing that, I can delete the audio, and now I just have footage of just the video itself with no audio. Okay, now likewise, to create a voiceover, I would go to the camera with a microphone, hit record, and I could have just a video of the camera shooting at just anything random, but the audio associated with the file would be my explanation of the talent or the anchor reporter talking over the video that's being shown through the camera. So if I want to create a voiceover, let's say I want to create a voiceover based on this clip here. Okay, a voiceover would basically be audio with no video. So I would do the same thing. Right click, unlink, delete the video this time, and now I have a free audio clip to use. Now I can now use this audio clip with different video, so I can get rid of this. So now I have B-roll here, video with no audio. I have a voiceover here, audio with no video, and now I can put them together. So now I have a video with audio that doesn't necessarily belong with it, but I can join those two together, and of course I can trim this audio to make it match up with the video, and then that's how that would work as far as that goes with the B-roll and the voiceover. Now that being said, I can also keep some audio from a video. Let's say I wanted to keep the raw audio from this video file and add my voiceover here to that, but still keep this audio. Remember, if I pull over and drop it, it's going to overwrite what's underneath it. So I don't want to do that. So instead, I'm going to make use of this second audio track down here. I can pull my voiceover down and over, and now it is going to play at the same time as that other one. It's probably going to sound pretty convoluted here. Yeah, it just sounds like a bunch of random noise because there's a lot of background talking for those shots. Now, one way to use the B-roll is, let's say I have a really long interview with somebody. We don't want to be staring at our interview subject for more than I'd say about 8 seconds at a time. So let's say hypothetically this is a interview with somebody, and that interview is going and it's lasting a pretty good bit. Well, instead of just looking at our interview subject for that entire duration of the video, I can put B-roll on top, so while that interview is playing and we can hear the audio from the interview, then the shot would change to some B-roll over it. And then when that B-roll is over, when the sequence line moves past it, it would cut right back to this. So let me slide it over to give you an idea of what it would look like. So we're playing our original file. The B-roll is on top of it. And then when the red line gets past it, it shows the original file again. All your video works in layers, and the program monitor here views your videos from the top layer down. So if there's something on top, it's not going to show what's on bottom, what's underneath it. When whatever's on top disappears or runs out, then whatever's underneath it will be revealed. So that's the general basics, creating B-roll and VoiceOver and then incorporating that into your video editing.